Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 ingredients banana oat chocolate chip cookie. This is a really great for grab and go breakfast and a great snack for after school snack or a quick snack. And let's go ahead and look at the ingredient and get the cooking started. Here I have 1.5 cup raw oat. I will use a ziplock bag to put the 1/2 cup oat in there, and I will use a rolling pin to roll it a little bit to break down the oat a little bit so that it will be easier for the oat to absorb the banana quicker. If you already have the quick oats or instant oats, you don't have to do this step, or you can just use the raw oat. I just show here because this is just a quick way to help break down the oats so that the oats can help absorb the banana quicker. The quickest way to do this is to put in the food processor and just give it a couple pulse or grind a little bit, couple pulse, and then that will do the trick. I think that it looks pretty good. Break down a little bit. In a bowl, I will use 2 large overripe banana and peel that and break it into the bowl. You know that the browner the banana is, the sweeter it is. So if you have overripe banana that has a lot of brown spot on, that is perfect to make the banana, anything with the banana, and banana bread, banana oat cookie, anything that call for banana. So just break down a little bit, break them down into smaller pieces. I will use the back of my fork to mash the banana up. Mash the banana until they are like a baby food puree. This is a really great snack, like a healthy and great for grab and go snack for kids after school or for yourself in the morning and when you have a cup of coffee or tea. I think the consistency is pretty good. I like it that there's still some chunk of banana in there, so when you eat it, you still feel the banana chunk that in the cookie. Now I will add the oat in there, and the one that I roll in a ziplock bag. So just mix the oat and the banana together. If you have the quick oat or instant oat, that is fine, but that you can, after you done this, you can just let it sit for 5 minutes, and then after the oat absorb the banana, then you can put in the oven. But if you have the raw oat, after you mix everything together, you will have it sit in the counter for about 20 to 30 minutes until all the oat are absorbed in the banana in, so that when you bake it, it will be moist. So now I will add a 1/3. You can add 1/3 to a 1/2 cup of chocolate chip. I use the Lily dark chocolate chip that they use cocoa and stevia sweetener. So you can use whatever you have or whatever you like. Just mix everything together until they are well incorporated. And this is a really easy recipe, and with all simple ingredients that you already have at home. Alright, so it looks good. I will use a plastic wrap to cover and let it sit on the counter for 20 to 30 minutes. About 30 to 35 minute mark. After I let it sit, I went to pick up my kids at school, and after I come back, the oats absorb the banana in. So now I will use a rim baking sheet, but if you don't have the rim baking sheet, you can use parchment paper. And then I will form the banana oat into a ball or into a patty. 1 tablespoon, because the oat will not rise like a regular cookie, so they will come out the way they go in. So I will have to pat it into patty and then put it in there. Just continue until you are done with this. I did put a little bit coconut oil to coat my baking sheet so that it won't stick to the bottom, to the baking sheet, or you can use parchment paper, or you can use a cooking spray to spray on your baking sheet. The consistency of the dough is kind of like cookie dough. I will spread some chocolate chip to other cookies so that the kid will see the chocolate chip. They will love it. If your kid don't like to eat oats, this is a great way to make into cookies so that they will eat it. If you make a really small cookie, then it would make about 14 to 15 cookie, but if you make this size like I did here, you're about 11 to 12 cookies. This will go into the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit, about 12 to 15 minutes or 16 to 18 minutes depending on your oven temperature. The cookie is going into the oven. About 16 minutes has passed and our cookie is ready. The color on the top is turned a little light golden brown. That is what I want. So here is how it looks like. A little light golden brown on the bottom and on the top as well. It looks so delicious. Isn't it beautiful? With just 3 ingredients: oats, banana, and chocolate chip. Look at the cookie. Isn't it beautiful? With a simple and yet delicious ingredient. If you don't like chocolate chip, you can certainly use nuts or raisin instead. And now it's time to try our banana or chocolate chip cookie, and here it is. I did bake at 350 to about 15 to 16 minutes because I want my cookie a little bit golden brown on the top. So its texture is a little bit chewy but not too dry, so it's soft and chewy texture like that. So let's give it a taste. It's really good. Kind of like you eat banana bread but in cookies. So the oat is soft and the cookie is soft and little bit chewy, but it's perfect and really healthy. It's not too sweet, it's just perfect, right on point. After right out of the oven, I let it cool down about 5 to 10 minutes before I take it off of the baking tray. So my husband already ate like half of the cookie that I made today. So I hope you give this recipe a try and I'm sure you will love it. And if you have watched this far and have not yet subscribed or like, go ahead and click like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more yummy food recipe, yummy treat or dessert recipe for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.